It's pink.
Brittany, your picture's not pretty. I apologize. Rude. Girl, come over here. They took down the pictures.
You got a new phone.
Look at what you just did to me. I don't like that kid.
You almost made me cry.
Okay. Brittany's flirting by waving. Yeah. Why? Dude, if you make me drop my phone, I will be.
I want food. I'm hungry.
Fat ass.
Hi, Caleb. How are you? How are you? Are you good?
Yeah.
What are you looking at?
No, don't take a picture. It's a video.
My voice sounds